In this video, I will show you how to turn on instant pay for small amount or password-free payment at checkout in your Alipay app. Let me show you how. Open up your Alipay app. Go ahead and click on account. Proceed to settings. Click on payment settings. Click on instant pay. Then go ahead and click on here to turn on your instant pay. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.